Google is up to something again. Nano Banana and VEO3 are now directly integrated into Whisk, and it's completely free. Not only can they generate images, but they can also animate them into videos. Is this a plan to kill off other AIs?
That's right. Today, I want to share this amazing news with you. Images and videos all done in one go. For creators, it's a game changer. Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI Life Notes. Did you know when Whisk was just born? It was incredibly picky. Only a handful of countries could use it. Most people can't even register. It's infuriating, but now it's completely different. To achieve this, everything is unlocked. They stuffed so many AI models in, generating images and making animations, all done in one shot. It feels like finally breaking free from VIP limits, making it enjoyable for everyone. Using Whisk is super simple. Just log in with your Google account, and you can start playing. Google Whisk's workspace is truly advanced, without a ton of complicated buttons. The process of generating images is super intuitive, with theme scenes, style, 3 shades of blue, clearly separated. You just need to enter a prompt, or directly upload an image. AI can help you generate a complete character. There are 3 sizes available. To ensure accuracy in characters, you can refer to the original image. Here on the right, you can lock the seed. Here you can clearly see the Nano Banana logo. Let's start by using a prompt. Generate the image after entering the prompt. Each time it will generate 2 images. Let's try ice skating with a Chinese style. At this point, the result looks pretty good. It retains the theme and adds dynamic changes. You can also directly use theme and style to generate images. If you want to edit the image, there are 2 ways. Click the bottom left corner of the original image, where there's a pencil icon for editing. Click on the top of the final product for refine optimization to edit.
Dear friends, haven't you subscribed, liked, or shared yet? Please do us a favor. Our team is truly dedicated. Your support is the driving force behind the growth of small creators like me. Please take a few seconds to click and give us some encouragement.
Nano was originally the core highlight of Whisk. Previously, the biggest pain point in AI art was character consistency. But Nano Banana solved this problem. Whether changing scenes or actions, even the trickiest anime characters can maintain character consistency. Since VS turns real images into anime style, the works don't look as good. So we use prompts to enhance, and then extend from the final product. The overall style of the final product stays true to the theme. It's basically acceptable. If anime characters share the frame with real people, what sparks might fly? Let's give it a try.
Some more issues about that.
I'm sorry to hear that. How are you holding up?
I'm doing okay.
Since we can turn real people into anime, can we also turn anime into real people? Let's give it a shot. Also, multi-style images are not a problem at all. They're very suitable for commercial projects. To ensure accuracy in characters, you can refer to the original image. You can lock the seed here on the right. How to directly turn an image into a video? Click on the top left of the image, Animate. Just enter your prompt to generate ultra-high definition animations. Observant viewers might have noticed, the earlier part of the video has the word view. Yes, I generated an image with Nano Banana on Whisk, and then created animations with VEO3. However, a reminder that the voice is randomly generated, and it's recommended to use English prompts for higher accuracy. Finally, let's check out the showcase of results.
I'm coming to get you! We love spending our days at the beach.
Oh, Wanyo, I see you in right. The weather is just perfect for it.
Hey, isn't this beach just gorgeous today?
It really is. Perfect weather for a chat.
If this video helped, you feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell to show your support. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is crucial to me. I am AI. See you in the next episode of Life Notes.